Today we are in Alfred Street in the centre of Taunton town to see this fantastic Victorian property. It's very large, it can make an excellent HMO or just a very large family home. To the rear you've got a wonderful sized garden, very big. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. Externally, you have this wonderful barbecue garden, perfect for the family. It's completely private if we can have a little look around. And on a day like today, an absolute joy with all of this sun. Now, if you'd like to come and have a look at this property or would like me to come and value your home, please get in contact and I hope to speak to you soon. Thanks very much.